Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Roblox AI icons for the Roblox Studio for free. First of all, you're going to head over to the Bing image creator or any image generation AI that you're comfortable with. I'm going to be using Bing Image Create for the showcase. You're going to describe what you want to create. For example, a Roblox thumbnail of a Roblox character as an electrician. After that, you're going to hit create. While that is generating, you're going to open up Leonardo AI on your side. You could also use Photoshop for this, but I'm going to use Leonardo AI as their AI canvas tool is pretty helpful for the type of images that I want to generate. Now, let's say you have one that you like. I like this one. I'm just going to download this. You're going to click it to expand and download. Once it's downloaded, you're going to open Leonardo AI, log in, and after that, you're going to head over to your AI canvas feature. Over here, you're going to paste in the image that you've generated. Just going to ignore these for now and upload the image. Now you're going to select the image and get rid of anything else that's here if you have something. Now after that, you're going to use this little box over here. You're going to expand it and try to generate, and you're going to try to expand your image. For example, keep half of it in here and half of it outside. Just hit generate, and once you have something that you like, you're going to accept it and do the same for the other side. Let's say I wanted more on this side too. Say Roblox character as an electrician in an advanced electric room or something. Hit generate and wait for it to create the rest. I don't have the best results, but you can keep trying with this and you will eventually get a good result with Leonardo AI. My image is quite complex and hard to create, so I'm going to try again. When it's done, just click accept and you're going to hit the download artwork button. Once you click this, it should download onto your computer. And from here, you can use this as a thumbnail for your game in Roblox Studio. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.